Hey everybody, this is John with Dine Drink Travel, Dine Drink Vegas as well. And today we're going to give you a look at Pyramid Room 4075 at the Luxor, Las Vegas. And before we go into the room, I will say there's a certain creepiness to the vibe in these room rings. As you're going into the Luxor, you hear a lot of crazy online stories about hauntings. I don't necessarily believe in that, but I sort of get why people feel that way if you walk around here. Anyway, let's go in the room. So we have a standard king room in our pyramid. So this is not a tower elite or anything. We're going to start in here with the restroom. Now, the restroom didn't get a huge refresh, I don't believe. However, I will say this about this bathroom, all right? It's not the world's best bathroom. It's not the world's biggest bathroom, but the temperature and the water pressure in this shower are phenomenal. So for that, I don't care if the bathroom's a little bit out of date. I don't care if it's straight out of the 90s. That shower makes it worthwhile. Coming into the whole room, it's a relatively small room, but it feels big and open. We've got a full-length mirror here so you can get dressed and see yourself and check out your looks. The furniture is sleek and modern, which is really nice. And then coming around here, we've got a nice big king bed. You can also get this in the two queen formation. And then coming over here, we've got a sitting area. We've got plenty of desk space to work. And if we come over here, we can open up, and the view is out here to the pool in this particular room. And it's a rainy day in Vegas, but other than that, this is a great view. So those are all the positives. I do want to touch on some negatives. So when we come over here to these lamps, both on the desk and by the bed, we do have standard plugs, but there's no place to plug in and charge USB devices. Now, these rooms were refreshed just a few years ago. You would think Luxor would realize people like to be able to charge with a USB cable. Last night I had to dig out my big ugly wall wart. Most hotel rooms now have USB chargers by the bed, by the desk, over here in front of the TV. Luxor has not done that. I think that's a big negative. On the other hand, the price of this room is pretty good. I think I got 3 nights over a holiday weekend for $450-ish. The bed is super comfortable. The bathroom is great because the water pressure, the temperature is perfect. And the space feels really efficient and comfortable and big. The furniture is comfortable. Overall, would I stay in this room again? Absolutely. Not the most luxurious thing going in Vegas, but a pretty darn good deal in a nice location. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you down the road. Happy travels.